squad, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if any of you guys are actually curious at what goes on behind the scenes of me filming my videos, so I've quickly put together this video to show you guys my filming setup and the equipment that I use. If any of you guys are YouTubers yourself, I've provided links in the description box you can check out as well. Starting off with my backdrop, I use this backdrop stand that I purchased from Amazon. It's the newer brand, and I also purchased a green screen from Henry's, which is a local camera store. I purchased a green screen because of the endless possibilities of using various backdrops. At first it was hard to work with, but it does take practice, and I'm still learning around the whole workings of a green screen. As another backdrop, I just use my plain wall. This I use all the time when I'm just lazy to actually set up my backdrop after taking it out. Next is my lighting. I actually have 2 umbrella lights, and this make the world of a difference in the quality of my videos. As you can see, the normal light, it's just yellow, but when the lights are on, it's just a bright daylight color, and it just brightens up the video. I also have a ring light, which is actually a new addition to my lighting collection. I bought this in addition to my umbrella lights for the green screen specifically because it has to be well lit. It comes with a stand and also a little tripod to attach your camera should you not want to use your actual camera tripod. And of course, I got my lighting from Amazon. So onto my camera, I use the Canon Rebel T3i with the kit lens, the 18-55mm lens, and this has a flip out screen, which is very useful when I did not use my camera with a TV, when you'll see later on. This camera has been my best friend since I bought it. I've had no problems with it. I don't think I have to upgrade anytime soon, only because I use the Canon remote to help me take pictures and focus from afar. For vlogging, I use the Panasonic Lumix. Of course, you guys know that I have since upgraded to the Canon G7X Mark II, but this little baby right here served me well. It also have a 180 flip-up screen, which was just perfect. As for another accessories, I do have a tripod that I purchased from Best Buy. It is almost as tall as me, to be honest, and this tripod comes in handy so much, especially when I'm filming in the bathroom. For my vlogging camera, I use the Manfrotto brand tripod. Manfrotto? Yeah, and it definitely comes in handy. Lastly, for my actual setup, the green screen is actually behind me. I set my chair down, and my lights are actually 45-degree angle on each side, and then my ring light is in front. I do also set up my TV so I can actually see myself, and my laptop is there mainly for music. Depending on the type of videos that I'm doing, I set up my table in front of me, mainly when I'm actually doing like makeup stuff. And that's pretty much my setup for my video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bust a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!